Okay, so the question is how we can make over 300% APR on Aerodrome Finance on base chain. That is crazy. Is it possible? Yes, and I will let you know how we can do this. Make sure you watch the video to the end because this is a very hot yield farming for the last few weeks, maybe couple of months, and I think for the next year this can be huge. Now, this is the thing. If you go to DeFi Llama, what is amazing too to learn about all the chains, all the dexes, and all the information what we need in the crypto space. And if you go to the base, you will see the total value locked is over 1.5 billion. What is crazy, to be honest. Fees in the last 24 hours 182,000. So I want part of this fee. That's why we providing liquidity. But the good stuff here is it's also concentrate liquidity pools where you need to set a certain range when you provide liquidity, or simple you just provide liquidity as V2, or the old school providing liquidity, you just put your liquidity and you earning the APR what is provided. And if you go to the Aerodrome.finance, I will leave the link down in the description, you will see that here you can earn over, where is that, 1000% APR. So this is not correct, I will tell you why, but here you can earn 187, 251 APR and 366, and I'm here, I think I'm in this pool, or maybe not, yeah, and also I'm in this pool 338 APR percentage. That is crazy, guys. And this percentage what you see here, that's what you earn, and isn't that more crazy? In the nutshell, Aerodrome Finance has been crazy with earning fees and with earning money for the last few months time, but the token have went downhill. So is it worth it to get in now or no? So let's dig it up. So there we go. Okay, so base chain again. If you go to DeFi Llama, you will see that everything right here on the base chain, the first from 1.5 billion, almost half of it are in Aerodrome. Okay, this is the DEX. Next DEX is Uniswap and Extra Finance. So if you combine all three, okay, this is a leverage finance, okay, Extra Finance. If you combine all these three, it's around 1 billion from 1.5 billion. So we talk about what, 70% from all the money are in these three exchanges, okay, DEX, okay, decentralized exchange. Now, before we go anywhere, please understand that nothing here is financial advice. Make sure you understand the risk, because this is crypto and you can lose everything, okay? Make sure you understand that. I'm not your mama and papa, what means I'm not giving you any financial advice. Okay, so let's go back where we are. No, let's go back here. Okay, so let's check. So make sure Aerodrome Finance, okay, why it's so hot? Because base chain hit give them, I think, if I'm not mistaken, 100 million bucks they invested in Aerodrome Finance, and after that the TVL blow up. But let's go and check the token, okay? Aero, the token is called Aerodrome Finance, or Aero, went all-time high and around $2, and everybody blow up. Reject all, make sure you reject all cookies, and you will see here was from October till February was only 8 cents, 9 cents. So for months and months and months was 3 cents, 4 cents, hit all the way up to 8 cents, and then just blow up almost $2. So from 4 or 5 cents went all the way 40x up to $2.2, and now went downhill. The bottom were around 93 cents, and now we going up because this is inflationary. Okay, what's mean we farming this token, and people can sell the rewards, or they can again put them to claim more, to earn more Aero, or basically you can sell them and earn different tokens. So for all these tokens, all this percentage are paid in Aero token, and that's why it's one of the dumping. However, again, don't underestimate it, because Coinbase wants to bring 1 billion users into the DeFi space, and their chain is base chain. So Aero is the biggest DEX on base chain. Now, if Coinbase only bring not 1 billion, if they only bring 10% of that, that's 100 million. Right now, base chain, if I'm not mistaken, they have 4 million users, only 4 million. Just imagine if they just bring from 1 million, if they just bring 0.3%, that's 30 million in the next 1 or 2 years. We talk about 5-6x more users into the base chain. And at this moment, the Aerodrome Finance is the biggest one. So we don't know how it's going to go, what's going to happen, but I like to earn some Aero just to have on the side. And also I like this other pool. So let's go and dig in up. So I have some stake. You can go and provide liquidity in WETH and USDC. Make sure you have your Rabbit wallet, or you have your hardware wallet, Ledger or Keystone or OneKey, wherever you want. Make sure you use that, okay? Don't just jump in without any hardware wallet, because you need that to stay safe. So the good stuff here is you can provide liquidity and then you earn this crazy APR. So why I like this one, virtual. So virtual I like because it's high APR. I went and checked, by the way, let me see, I did some checking right now for you. There we go, virtual. You will see I went in 2-3 days ago. Why? Because it's a high APR at the moment, okay? I only put risk capital, make sure you understand. So don't do what I do, do whatever you want to do, all right? So you do you, I do me, all right? Simple. Now, because I AP in here early, I think now, just a couple of days ago, already on the 15, on the 14 actually, just right here around 11 cents, and it's still around 11 cents. Why? Because look, this is on 4-hour chart, so you need to watch this. You can listen, but you need to see this one on your phone or your computer. So if you go and see virtual was up to 23 cents on a 12th of April. That's around a month and a half ago, so 5 weeks ago. Then dropped down, went up, and now dropped down and find some support right here at around 10-11 cents. So that's why I ate around 10.5-11 cents, because the APR is juicy. So I put some money, and now my plan is just to maybe compound till the price is low, and hopefully the price will go up because it's paired with Ethereum. So if Ethereum go up, also that all this will go up. And you will see on this on deck screen, you will see they have 21 million liquidity and the market cap is 42 million only. Okay, so it's not huge, and the volume and the trading volume is 1.1 million right here showing on deck screen. So that's why I went and I got some tokens. Now the next one, what I like a lot, it was this one, TKN. So go and do your research, see what you think about these tokens. I don't know them completely, I didn't do completely deep research, but that's why I put risk capital. And to be honest, I like them at the moment slightly more than most of them, even more than Aero. I think everything what I earn in Aero, I need to see what I'm going to do, because I am new into this one. I'm going to put back into Aero. You can go and put them just for Aero staking and vote, or you can put them Aero in WETH with VAT. That's what I have here. Which one I had? WETH and VAT. I had some. It was like 60-70% of. There we go. Where was? This is my WETH and Aero, so maybe I'll take this one out and maybe I'll just put with USDC and Aero, because I'm going to earn double the money. But again, if the price shoot up more, then you risk from that gaining that stability, the money was going to gain, so you're going to lose that. The next one I went, it was TKN. Okay, so TKN right here, and if you go to the also deck screen, you will see the TKN liquidity is 10.8 million, what is not bad at all, but if you go and check right here, if you go and put right here in CoinGecko, you will see that all the liquidity right now showing is 10.8 million with TKN and VAT, and also TKN and Aero 8 million, and so we talk about 18 million altogether. What is 19 million altogether, maybe a little bit more, what is very significant number. And you will see that the market cap is only 10 million, which means that the tokens are 1 million only, and I believe they are, most of them are in circulation, or maybe all of them are out. That's why I like TKN. You can go and check the website here, the Discord and everything. Again, do your research. I don't know a lot, but I like because it's not a lot of token. The volume is around 1 million. The liquidity is huge. And also, I don't know what's happening here with the price, what can be dodgy, but you will see that the price went all the way to 67 cents and today it's around 46. So I went around 44 cents because I was waiting for a dip. Okay, but whoever got here like a month, like 2 months ago, whoever went 2 months ago when the price was 11 cents, well, you sitting on extremely well gains. I got here. I'm hoping it's not going to drop down to 32, but if it's dropped down to 32, I might take a couple of more positions. But that's me. So that's how you can earn your over 300% APR. And this is with TKN and Aero. You can earn 338, but I did TKN and VET, there we go, 366. So this is what I did here, and that is crazy. All right, and also I put some VEL, okay, WELS, W-E-L-S, okay, and I believe that is, let me just find here for you before the video is too long, and you will see, let me just go, WELS, no, well, there we go, I went with this one, WELS, okay, and if you go and check on Dex Screener, you will see that that downtrend, it was 51 cents and now it's around 21 cents. So I went here around 25 cents. No, sorry, I went around 21 cents just few days ago. Let me see, it was around 12.13, I think here I got earlier, so it's around 20 something. So I'm slightly up, but you will see this trend when this is from February, okay, when it was around 10 cents right here starting price and went all the way up to 52 and get a nice retracement now. So that's why I'm taking positions, because I believe it's good to take position when the price are down, because and also the APR is crazy, 366%. Now, is this token going to go up or not? But the liquidity is nice and juicy, the trading volume is also a nice one. So that's why I took position into all these pools. So my goal here is to farm the token Aero, and then you can, it depends from you, or I need to think like, do I need to hold some certain or just put them back? But my plan will be for now, till everything is low, compound a lot, get more tokens, because when everything shoot up, then take your profits, even sell from your liquidity pools and do whatever you want. So this is my video for Aerodrome. Again, I don't do step by step how to get in, that is very easy, but maybe I will do full video for that. Let me know in the comment section if you want a full video like step by step how you need to get in. All right, thank you so much, God bless, see you in the next one.